Geobyte.
Dear students, welcome to the another most important unit, that is work, energy, power and collision. Dear friends, remember it is very important not only for board exams but also for different competitive exams like JEE mains, NEET, MSET, etc. Okay, that's why you try to focus 100% while we are discussing to understand very easily. Okay, now first let us take the definition for work. Look at the definition. Work is said to be done by a force when a body undergoes displacement parallel to the line of action of force or parallel to one of the components of forces. Okay, it is like this. Look at the arrangement. Look at the body. This is the body. Here force is applied on the body. Force is applied horizontally and the body is moving in the horizontal direction. This is the direction of motion. Then, according to physics, work is said to be done by force acts on the body, then the body has to move in the same direction as that of the force applied. Here, work equal to the force F bar dot, let displacement is S bar. S bar. If I assume the displacement is D, I can also write F bar dot D bar. That is the general formula for finding the work, right, in physics, right? Why it is written as a dot product, I'll explain to you, please wait. Similarly, if I take the another case where look at the direction of force, look at the force is applied at an angle, the angle, let it be theta. Here force is applied at an angle theta. Since here force is applied at an angle theta, it is developing two component of forces. This is the horizontal component of force with a magnitude F cos theta, and this is the vertical component of force with a magnitude F sin theta. But because of the force, the body is moving in this particular direction. This is the direction of motion of the body. Direction of motion of the body. Look at the direction of motion of the body. Direction of motion of the body. Here F cos theta is causing for driving the body in this particular direction. Therefore, the work equal to the component of force which is causing for driving the body, that is F cos theta multiplied by displacement, can also be written as W equal to Fs cos theta. Fs cos theta. That is how you can decide the work in physics. Okay. Now let us take another slide. Dear friends, here work equal to product of force and displacement. Dear friends, remember force is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity. That's why it is written as F bar. Displacement also a vector quantity. Though the force and displacement both are vector quantities, work is coming under, work is a scalar quantity. Work is a scalar quantity. The reason why the work is coming under scalar quantity is work is not satisfying the law of addition of vector. Since work is not, work W is not obeying, is not obeying the law of addition of vectors, law of addition of vectors. Therefore, therefore, that kind of product, that kind of product should be written as, should be written as a dot product, a dot product. Understood clear? That is the reason why we have written work equal to F dot S dot. Okay. As you know, product of dot product of A and B, dot product of A and B is written as AB cos theta. This part we clearly studied with the concept of vectors. Therefore, work equal to F S cos theta, where theta is the angle between the force applied direction and the body moving direction. Right? Let me write that point, where theta equal to, where theta equal to, theta equal to angle between direction of force, direction of force and direction of motion, and direction of motion of the body. Okay, understood clearly? Yes. Then once again, look at the force which is acting on the, look at the force which is acting on the block. This is the force which is acting on the body with a magnitude F at an angle theta with respect to horizontal direction. Then it is developing two component of forces. One is F cos theta, F cos theta. That F cos theta is causing for displacement. Yes. And this is the vertical component of force F sin theta. That force is not causing for driving the body. Anyhow, here work equal to the horizontal component of force which is causing for driving the body multiplied by S. F S cos theta. Understood clearly? Yes. Then let us decide the units and dimensional formula for work. First, let us take the units. Units for work. Dear friends, remember work is in joule, right? Or Newton meter in SI system. In SI system. Whereas in CGS system, it is X. In CGS system. CGS system. Okay. The relation between the joule and erg is 1 joule equal to 10 power 7 x, or 1 erg equal to 10 power minus 7 joules. Okay. Now look at the dimensional formula. Dimensional formula. As you know, work equal to force multiplied by displacement. Work dimensional formula equal to force dimensional formula multiplied by displacement dimensional formula. Force dimensional formula m l e power minus 2 multiplied by displacement L. Simplify this part for getting the dimensional formula for work equal to m L square e power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for. I hope all of you clearly understood. Understood, Anna? Yes.
Geobyte.